Hi everyone, it's Molly. Thank you so much for being here. I'm going to be doing another pink and gray painting tonight. I had some leftover paints from the Turbulence Beautiful Blowout that I did in the pink party, and I wanted to use that gray, that blue gray that I had within the painting as a base and do a floral blowout. So that's what I'm going to do tonight. I am actually loving these pink colors, so thank you, Stacy, for requesting the commission to make me use them. Let's paint. All right, everyone. I am going to do the same colors that I did for Stacy's commission, so almost all pinks with a little bit of silver and maybe a little bit of white. And I am using this beautiful gray base. So I had some leftover, and yeah, I think it's gonna be enough. I hope it's gonna be enough. I had some leftover grayish blue, and I mixed the rest of the leftover gray that I had together. So again, my colors: magenta, light rose, quinacridone rose, Venetian rose, and I don't know if I'll use it, but this was the color off my table from that painting, and I'll link it below or above, whichever. Oh, I already started my blow dryer. All right, let me blow this out. Okay, I'm just gonna get into this one. So I had just enough paint to cover, like there's barely any drips. So I'm gonna do, and I've really been liking kind of doing this puddle here and then the two puddles on the side when I want it to look like, kind of like floral. I'm gonna do the light rose. Again, I'm alternating my colors, and I want that peach to really stand out as well. So I'm gonna add that peach color on top. Ooh, this is a lot of color. I always do too much color, but I am gonna do just one more little bit of all right. Tiny little bit of white. Oh man, I really did a tiny little bit of white. As I add more. All right, now we're coming in silver. Well, I normally do my silver as like a little drizzle. I think I'm gonna do that as well so that it gets more. All right, like a little heart. Okay, let me torch. And I know that, most of you already know, but the torch is to get rid of air bubbles. I have new people that come to the channel all the time, and they ask as well. I feel like, I don't know, what about just a tiny bit more of the pink? Okay, all right, that's it, I'm done. Let me blow this out. This is really pretty. It's super soft. Wow. I was debating going over the edge more there. I don't know. I feel like it needs one more little blow right there. I made the executive decision to just go off canvas. This right here is just gorgeous. I love it. Very pretty. All right, let me show you this one. I think it looks even brighter on this gray base. Super soft lines. And you see how I layered that peach on the top because I wanted it to be predominant. And even though I blew over the colors and mixed them, the peach is what came out. The magenta, the reason that I layered that towards the base is because that normally fans out to be your outer rim and gives little pops of contrast. So the layering is very important. I started talking to you and I forgot to show you what's going on. I'm trying not to laugh because it shakes the camera. And I made the executive decision to blow it off, and I do like it like that. Not quite as much of a flower now, but I really like the design. All right, let's see how this one turns out. I think this one came out really pretty. It's very soft up at the corners, and it almost made like this pretty purple color here, the mixing of the gray and the magenta. It's got really pretty pops. The center is just phenomenal. It shines really pretty there. I'm just overall really pleased with this. I like the color combination. Pink and gray is a very pretty combination together. And I'm glad I decided to keep blowing kind of off the canvas on all sides. So I hope that you like this video. I really like this color combination. You can let me know what you think. All right, thank you so much for watching. Happy painting. Bye.